Hey guys, how's it going? Super quick on here, messy desk update, but this is a mini that I was sent, 3D printed mini that was sent by one of my friends from the Indie Miniatures Discord, and it's Laurel, and she's put together a Kickstarter, and it's actually literally got a few hours left, lads. Some pretty weird monsters, minis, and they're kind of a selection of different sizes. This guy's actually bigger than I thought he was going to be, but I don't know what you'd call this, but my little boy, he opened them up in the post, and he was pretty happy with them, so we've deciding what we're going to paint them up. And as you can see, this is a scale here. It's a 28mm guy, but literally the Kickstarter has, I think it's 6 hours left from the time I'm recording this. So if you're looking for some STLs, if you have a printer, or even to check it out, I'll put the link in the description, and just go support him. It's another indie miniature creator, and there's a nice selection of I think it's miniature weirdos. You'll see what I mean when you look at them. But that's a selection that I was sent, so I'm really, thanks for sending that. Oh Jesus. Like I said, this is just a quick video, but thanks for sending this on. We'll paint it up and we'll have a lot of fun. And yeah, like I said guys, check out the Kickstarter, and I'll be back with some more, as you can see, weird stuff. Another video update in a little while. Cheers, good luck.